Hi, I'm Lindsay, and I'm excited to show you how to make the Amethyst Violet Earrings today. These earrings feature a Swarovski classic cut pendant in amethyst, but it can be easily swapped out for any other birthstone colors. I've combined them with a TierraCast component, and they're quick and easy to put together, perfect for a birthday gift. Okay, let's take a look at the products we'll need. For this project, we'll need 2 of the 14mm amethyst classic cut pendant, 2 of the 4-ring Intermix components by TierraCast, 2 7mm jump rings, 4 4mm jump rings, and 1 pair of ear wires. The links to all these products can be found in the description below. I'll also be using 2 chain nose pliers to open and close my jump ring. So these are pretty easy to put together. We're going to take 1 pendant, and we're going to start by taking our 7mm jump ring. And to open it, you're going to grab on one side of that opening with 1 pair of pliers, and then the other side. And then just bend the 2 sides away from each other. Link in your crystal. And then take a component, and we're going to use, it's got 4 rings, but we're going to use the center one to link the pendant from. Go ahead and link that in there. And then we're going to close it the same way, grabbing from both sides of the jump ring and wiggling it shut, nice and tight. Okay. Then we're going to use a 4mm jump ring off of the top loop of the component. Again, opening the jump ring the same way, and then looping into the top loop there, and closing. We'll use 1 more jump ring to connect the ear wire. Go ahead and go through the jump ring. And then you want to connect the ear wire. The loop goes in the jump ring, and then close it the same way. And there you have the Amethyst Violet Earrings. You'll want to repeat this process for the second pair. And you'll have a beautiful birthstone inspired pair of earrings. You can find this and many more projects at fusionbeads.com.